So we are obviously in the Peak District.
We've just left Wetton Mill tea rooms. Hey, oh, she's took the stone out. This is alright though, isn't it? Adventure.
Yeah, there's Pooley complaining. He's like, oh, we should be to gravel. Right, the good news is, according to Kalimoto, I've ridden down this road before.
Oh, I've got a phone call coming through. I bumped into our Chris.
Into our Chris, whereabouts are you? I'll go route to Matlock then.
Alright, I'll see you soon.
Alright then. Bye!
Was that Pooley Snr?
That was Pooley Snr. We're gonna like become one.
We're gonna be like Genesis.
It's a LoneWallyUK.
Hello.
It is. Again.
Watch out for these bods.
Just as fast.
I've got 2 plodders in front today then, not just one.
What do you call this then?
What do I call that? A flipping... you need to wear a different dress, I think.
No, I'm on about...
Oh, sorry, you're thinking about that married couple.
No! It's a quad vlog, not...
sorry. Sorry, I thought you was making observations.
Yeah,
Quad vlog.
This is an observation.
Quad vlog.
We was trying to avoid you, but now we've bumped into you, you're going to have to tag along.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. But it's a quad vlog, but it's a trio of bikes.
Yeah, you're mixing it up a bit, aren't we?
Mixing it up.
Technically, it's still a trio vlog, you just have an extra voice.
Yeah, commentator.
Commentator.
Watch
And
out
I've
for
got
this.
a perfect tune on it, Blue Monday here, for some banging speed. Oh, we can't go fast, can we? Because we've got 2 plodders in front.
Well, you won't be able to keep up with us. That's what it is.
Yeah, okay.
You run out of oil before we get home. On your 2-stroke TDM.
No 2-stroke, mate.
Well, it is, with the amount of oil it burns.
Right turn.
What's that, Chris?
I said, right turn ahead.
Oh, no, that's what Jess is supposed to say. She's the navigator.
Oh God, we ain't getting it. We ain't going out tonight.
We'll be going in circles, I'm sorry. I have no sense of direction.
Isn't this that road where you've got to get to... You got to have any cars in front because you're going to pass?
What? Well, no, it's not that road. It's the road with all the manhole covers. It's Via Gellia.
Via Gellia then?
No.
Via Gellia.
It's where you get the bacon, remember? It's the bacon place.
Yeah, Via Gellia.
Via
What
Gellia.
do you call it? What's in what's in well or something?
No, it's what's Stanwell.
It is what's Stanwell, but you say what's in well.
Oh, no, yeah, well, whatever.
What's it?
I
Thing
thought I
dog.
squabbled with my sister on you, sis.
See, we're annoying them pair now. They're stuck with us.
Oh, I'm sorry.
If we stay close enough, they won't be able to disconnect if we stay close enough.
Yeah, just remember, you're a plodder though, Pooley.
I'm not. Look, I'm going at some rate of knots right now. I'll have you now.
What, 42 miles an hour?
Yeah, that's about the top speed.
Just remember, I've got new rubber, so hey, I'm sticky.
Is that what you said to the missus?
I've got some new boots on, so I'm sticky.
You see all these manhole covers, that's what I'm on about, look. You have to dodge them all.
They are not manhole covers, they are inspection covers.
What's the difference?
Nobody likes a smart ass.
Yeah. Shut your mouth, yeah. You're outnumbered now, you're outnumbered.
No, but hold on a minute, I'm not outnumbered. In this day, in this 2022 that we're in, they're inspection covers. And to say manhole covers is quite incorrect.
It's person covers.
The eldest person here is the wokest at the minute.
Pooley channel gone woke.
I hope not.
I think they've muted us, you know.
Oh no, you're still there. Unfortunately.
Sorry about us because we're falling too far behind.
That big fat devil getting slowing you down a bit.
It's as wide as a flipping lorry.
I told him I'm going to get some wide low stickers to stick on the back of his pannier.
I mean, his theme song should be that one that they use for McGann, you know, shaking your ass. I see you, baby. Shaking your ass. You're shaking your ass.
That was from years ago. No one's going to know what you're on about.
I've got a big buttocks in my view here, that's all I'm seeing.
Hey, you can't beat the looks of the DeVille.
Oh, it's nice to see you've got your you put your other boxes back on.
Nah, it looks better with these ones.
I was going to say you've got your reflectors back.
No, I've always been on.
Oh, you lost one?
Oh no, I stuck them back on. Oh no, I lost the middle one. I lost the middle one.
Oh, right.
That was Chris's fault, that was.
How's it my fault?
I'm sure it fell off when I was out with you.
No, I commented that you were missing one.
Oh, was it you that noticed it?
Yeah, then you said, oh yeah, it fell off ages ago, I've got to stick a new one in.
Oh, look at Mr. Show Off here. Look at all that blue smoke. It's flipping two-stroke.
Get back!
We're getting choked here. We're getting choked here.
Oh god, if
Just knocked about 10 years off my
life. Let me
life.
kick some smoke out. Let me kick some smoke out. Oh, you can come past now. I'll let you. You're blinding me with your headlight.
Oh my god!
It's alright, I'm still here, everyone. Don't ask.
Okay, come on, go on.
come on, we'll give you a big run up.
Oh, I don't know about that. I need more than that. I need a landing strip.
Come on, go past then, go past.
It's a solid
Get
wall.
close to this wall here.
Come on, slow coach.
I'll go the opposite way to these cars.
That's going to be like a farmer's single track road then.
Are we going to be able to open some speed up then?
We're getting back the way we came earlier.
Oh, we don't.
Yeah.
You can have it wide there, you.
He's got a personal
no.
back wide load here, look. He's got
Is
I
this
know
way?
chunky, so it's coming one load.
Oh, look at all this chalk.
Oh,
His
look
bike's
at
going to
it,
get
look at it.
dirty.
Yeah, just right down the flipping dirty bit. Dear me.
We're not going over that forward again, are we?
Oh, dear.
No, the Ford was the other
Oh,
way.
flipping cement everywhere.
Fair enough.
White cement, oh my god.
Yeah, I'll kick some up at you. Oh no!
Oh!
Flipping
I saw
out.
the dust cloud.
That's another 10 years knocked off my life.
I can't tell if that was the dust cloud coming off the road or if that was the fumes coming out the exhaust.
What's it type here, isn't it?
Yeah!
Get out! Brake check, why don't you?
Oh, it's alright, everyone. I'll catch up. It's alright.
See you later. Just come out right.
Yeah, I'm going to go out of range in a minute. No, it's happening.
Gone.
Here, go over that bridge, Chris. You may as well go over that bridge.
Cattle grid.
Hang on.
Well, what's all what we're waiting for?
Well, he don't know how slippy it is, Lloyd.
Oh, bit slippy that.
Yeah,
That wasn't the line I took earlier.
I've got wet legs.
That serves you right.
He's on new tyres, so it doesn't really make any odds. It's all slick.
His legs are drenched.
You've got your winker on, mate. I don't know where you're going. You're going off road.
What? It's because I'm too busy navigating that bloody ocean. What an adventure.
Oh, what an adventure. I'm going, right, the legs went through. Went through, I am. Went through.
It serves you right.
Scroachy feet, I'm going to have.
Right, I'll taking a right then, here.
Yeah, we're taking a right on through traffic. I'm guessing you're going back up through Belper.
Yeah, Belper sounds like a plan.
Yes.
That's the easy route, that is Belper. Oh, yes, thank you for letting me get it crashed, chaps and ladies.
You're most welcome.
It was funny.
Goodbye.
There was some good laughter.
Goodbye, my lover.
Bye!
Goodbye, my
Enjoy the
friend.
clean air. Enjoy the clean air. That's all I
I
can
will.
say.
TFN. What are you clean air?